Hello everyone. In this video, we will discuss about qualitative analysis of organic liquids having boiling point lesser than the 100 degrees Celsius, and this video is for the semester 6 students. So in binary mixture, particularly having a type solid plus liquid and liquid plus liquid, there are certain criteria, particularly in liquid liquid mixture. One or first liquid would have boiling point less than 100 degrees Celsius, and second liquid would have boiling point greater than 100 degrees Celsius. Moreover, there is a difference of at least 30 to 40 degrees Celsius between both the liquids. So keeping this thing in your mind, in this video we will discuss that how easily we can identify those liquids with the boiling points lesser than the 100 degree Celsius. So usually uh, in this slide you can see that acetone with the boiling point 56 degrees Celsius, methyl acetate 57, chloroform 61. So these three, they they have the difference of just 2 to 3 degrees Celsius in their boiling point, 56 to 61, 5 degrees Celsius. So they are below 65. In remaining three, ethyl acetate 77, carbon tetrachloride 78, ethanol is also 78. So they are in the range of 77 and 78, so above 75 degrees Celsius temperature. All the liquids are neutral in the nature. They all are aliphatic, but as you can see, chloroform and carbon tetrachloride are exceptional. They are aliphatic, but they burn with the sooty flame while porcelain heating. So let's see how we can distinguish between them. So first of all, we know that the mixture is solid liquid or liquid liquid. Always we are using the distillation method. So mostly we knew the range of their boiling point. So after separation of the liquid, we should check or we should heat them on a porcelain piece. If we get sooty flame, so that is indicating either presence of chloroform or carbon tetrachloride. In that case, we should confirm their presence by Bellstein test, that is heating on a copper foil. And we knew that chloroform, carbon tetrachloride, chlorobenzene, bromobenzene, these organic liquids, they burn with the green flame on a copper foil. And you knew that you should remember or you should remove the green flame of copper itself. After that we should check. So green flame confirm either chloroform or CCl4. Chloroform's boiling point is a 61, carbon tetrachloride 78. To distinguish further these two tests, carbon tetrachloride when heated with copper, NaOH and alpha naphthol gives bluish green color, while chloroform gives almost same taste, but the only difference is it should be heated with copper, NaOH and beta naphthol instead of alpha naphthol in this case. And if we get bluish or green color, then it confirms the presence of chloroform. But if we get non-sooty flame while we heat it on a porcelain piece, then chances of acetone, methyl acetate, ethyl acetate and ethanol. First is ketone, second and third are ester, and fourth one is alcohol. So their classification is given on the next slide. You can see that acetone when heated with even I think there is no need to heat it. Sodium nitroprusside solution and NaOH, it gives red purple color, or if it is heated with metadinitrobenzene and NaOH, it gives purple color. So ketones presence can be confirmed by this test. Ester, they decolorize the pink color of the diluted solution of sodium hydroxide and phenolphthalein. And there is a noticeable difference 20 degrees Celsius, 57 of the methyl and 77 of the ethyl acetate. So boiling point and this test, from these two we can determine whether it is a methyl acetate or ethyl acetate. And to determine alcohol, in alcohol when we add sodium metal, it forms sodium alkoxide and hydrogen gas is evolved. It bubbled. This reaction is exothermic reaction. So it generates heat. So we can experience from the test tube. It feels hot and sodium metal gradually it will consume and it will disappear. So see, out of these four, ketone, ester and alcohol can be identified with the help of these test of the functional group. So if we summarize the whole thing, see, with accuracy, if we perform porcelain heating, Bellstein test, heating on a copper foil, if we knew boiling point correct, and at least if you remember the one confirmative test of each, then easily we can identify in a 15 to 20 minutes these substances which have the boiling point below 100 degrees Celsius. But if you can use only this method if you accurately perform the porcelain heating, because I have observed that many students in final year also they don't perform porcelain heating precisely. So this is the way I hope this video can be helpful to you in identifying and distinguish among those liquids having boiling points below 100 degrees Celsius temperature.